Hello Gear subscribers, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show and tell how you can install or download Roblox application on your Android device. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Android, it can be a phone or tablet, or any other device, in the application called Play Store. After that, go to the search box. And in the search box we need to write Roblox application. Then we open it and click on the install button. After that we have this download. We can see how much our application weighs. As you can see, 134 megabytes, and here we can see the percentages, how much we have already installed. Let's wait a little bit. Now we have the full Roblox application downloaded, and I will show you how to register. It all depends on your internet connection. If you have a good internet connection, it will install in about 20 seconds. If it's bad, it may take a minute. It may take 2 minutes. It may take 5. Look, we have 86% already. You have to wait a little bit more. After it's downloaded, it will also download, and then we press play. Now it will be verified. Everything will be confirmed that the application is official, original. Then we press play. We enter. After that we have this name here. It's downloading here. Then we need to log in, either to an existing account that we've already had, or sign up again. You choose sign up or log in. Drive and enter this game. If you like this video, like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye, everybody.